Hello everybody, my name's Paul Tace, and if you're not new to droning, you know this is one of the most exciting things that we can see. This is the label from the FCC that indicates that the new DJI Mavic 3 is going to be coming out soon. So the FCC is obviously American, and it's going to tell us anything that's coming out that uses radio frequencies. It needs to be registered on here first. And if we go to this page, I'll drop a link in the description down below. We can see we finally have the DJI Mavic 3. Looks like it's going to be coming out soon, within the next few weeks or so. So this is really huge news. And we can see here it's got 2.4 gigahertz or a 5 gigahertz radio frequency, which is what we'd expect. We're going to expect this drone to have a huge range, at least 6 to 10 kilometers. And if we go and look at the label here, we can get a very small amount of info from this. So here it is. So this is obviously telling us that the DJI Mavic 3 is definitely something that's coming out soon. It's going to have a 5,000 milliamp battery. This is going to be quite a heavy battery, and it does imply the drone obviously is going to be quite heavy, which is something you'd expect after the original Mavic and the Mavic 2. We do not yet know if this is going to have a C mark rating. In my opinion, it may be unlikely, but let's hope it does. It also looks like it's going to have the remote coming out soon. So I actually found this on the Geeks Farner Twitter. We can see we've got the DJI RC Pro. Looks like it's going to be coming out at the same time as a drone this time, unlike the Mavic Air 2S. It looks like we're going to have some huge quality going on now. We're going to have a massive sensor. Looking at the previous drones that have been coming out from the Air series, continuing down the more pro line, it looks like we're going to have an awesome sensor coming out. I'd hope it would be at least an inch and 10 bits, but hopefully more than that, hopefully 12-bit sensor. I'd also be expecting to see an adjustable aperture and obviously all the other features that go along with the previous drones. And we're going to have something really exciting coming out with this drone. It's going to be pretty awesome. Now, to say this is going to be a heavier drone, and it's going to be more for the commercial or the really extreme hobbyist, but it's something that I'm really looking forward to, and dependent on the price is something that I'm going to snap up pretty quickly. Let me know what you think is going to be coming out with this drone, guys. I'd be really excited to know. Leave comments in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you in the next one.